Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 error code 2203. Open File Explorer, C Drive. Open Windows folder. Right-click Temp folder, click Properties. Click Security. Click Edit. Click Add. Type Everyone, click Check Names. Check Allow All. Click Apply. Click Advanced. Click Change. Type Everyone, click Check Names. Check Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.